Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, with popular features, and a fair price. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2014 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.